Make a great choice today with the 2019 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on- and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable, all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, privacy glass, convertible soft top, four-wheel disc brakes. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.